Did you ever get hooked on a product, something that you bought, thought, hey, this is really nice, quality materials, quality construction, and you just need more and more. I don't know if you remember, and if you haven't watched it, I'd suggest you go back, but we did a review of this awesome shop stool. Goes up and down, hydraulically, moves around, on wheels, awesome way to roll around the shop. And in some cases, I know a lot of you guys said, hey, that's a little too tall for what I'm doing. And I get that. I love it because I work on cars. I use it for cleaning cars. I use it for working on little things. And some people might not see that portion of how you use it, but I do. I love it. And I'm hooked on it. So as you can see, I picked up another shop stool here. This guy is just something that's comfortable. We have a lot of shop stools around here. It's the same height as everything else, and in fact, it's really close in height to the roller. And it's great to have around. If you had a man cave and you were really into DEWALT stuff, this would look awesome. I got it for the shop, I got it for the garage, and I just want a place to hang out, a place to have a couple beers with the guys, or a place to sit and look at what might not be going just perfectly on a lot of our projects. Now, another problem that I needed solved was where to put shoes on in my garage in the morning. I walk outside, putting your shoes on, they're all dirty, so we stuff them in the corner of the garage, and I sit there on the steps as everybody piles around me as they're trying to get out the door. So this shop bench, or garage bench, is just, it's awesome. It fits the look I want, it fits the build quality I want. This garage bench will hold 1,500 pounds if it's evenly distributed. The top is rated for 1,000 pounds. So I mean, you're talking about 4 big guys sitting on this thing without issue. This bottom rack, they say, can hold 1,500 pounds, and it's adjustable from the bottom all the way up in basically 2 3/4 inch increments. I put it this way so I could put some shoes underneath of it, some shoes on top of it, and just get things set up so that it would work and organize my garage. That shop stool, rated for 300 pounds. I would trust 2 people, 2 huge guys sitting on that. And I'm sure there's some point, maybe it's inside the seat that's there, but this stuff is absolutely nicely built. It's easy to put together. Anything, there's no instructions needed for either the stool I'm sitting on or the other garage stool. If you buy this garage bench, my head said put on the top first and then start working through it. Not the case. You put on the seat absolutely last. But this stuff is basically the same as a lot of other the shelving units that DEWALT makes. And this stuff is actually licensed by DEWALT. It's made by JS Products. And they have a really good system here of ease of putting something together, nice adjustability, and awesome strength. So this is just kind of the first part of where I'm going to go with this. I wanted to get some good seating, solve the problem of where to put some shoes in the garage, make it look the way I wanted it to look. Now I'm going to look at storage systems and racks, and how can I incorporate everything that I have in the garage kind of to look the same way. I got to work on my wife a little bit on this one. So I'm going to do this in stages. I'm going to bring in this bench. She's going to see that I'm going to organize shoes underneath it. All my dirty stuff can stay outside. Then I'm going to bring in a rack, get a place close to winter, hang my jackets outside that are dirty, gloves that are dirty, and then we'll work into a few more drawers and stuff. This stuff is not crazy priced. It's actually awesome as far as pricing. I think both these stools are about $100 a piece. It's something to look at. I'm going to warn you, once you get one, you're going to want more. But I think that's a good thing. When you find something nice, it's worth having more of it around. And that's what I really like about this stuff. So leave me your opinions below. I know some of you said this is too high for what you're doing. You like the really low stuff. I get it. This isn't it. But either way, if you have a man cave, would you put this stuff in it? If you have a garage, is this the look that you'd like? Because I guess it is where I'm at. So let me know in the comments below. Give us a like in this video and subscribe to this channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We always appreciate that, guys. Look out for our giveaways. We got a lot of them coming up. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.